Fielding. He is a retriever lab mix. He is a good boy too, yes he is. Beautiful boy, about 3 years old. Yeah. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Boy Fielding. Yeah. I know. Taking your treats very nicely. Yeah. Whoop, where are you going? Going out. Coming in. Good boy. Such a handsome man. You're not going to be here long, are you? No, you're not. Look at those eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Nice and gentle. Okay, can you sit? Fielding. Yep. Good boy. So come on out.